Hello everyone, my name is Yashvi Singh and my topic is Election Commission. It is an independent and permanent body established by the Constitution of India to ensure free and fair elections in our country. Article 324 provides that direction and control of elections to Parliament, state legislature, office of President and Vice President shall be vested in the Election Commission. It is an all India body that is common for both central and state government, but it is not concerned with the election to panchayats and municipalities. For this, Constitution of India provides for separate state election commission. History of Election Commission. Since its inception in 1950 until 15 October 1989, the Election Commission functioned as a single member body consisting of Chief Election Commissioner. On 16 October 1989, the President appointed two more election commissioners to cope with the increased work of Election Commission. Thereafter, Election Commission functioned as a multi-member body consisting of three election commissioners. However, the two posts of election commissioner were abolished in January 1990 and the Election Commission was reverted to the earlier position. Again, in October 1993, the President appointed two more election commissioners. Since then until today, the Election Commission has been functioning as a multi-member body consisting of three election commissioners. Composition of Election Commission. Article 324 of the Indian Constitution has made the following provision with regard to the Constitution composition of Election Commission. The Election Commission shall consist of the Chief Election Commissioner and such number of other election commissioners, if any, as the President may from time to time fix. The appointment of the Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners shall be made by the President. When any other election commissioner is so appointed, the Chief Election Commissioner shall act as the Election Commission. The President may also appoint, after consulting with the Election Commission, such regional commissioner, and he may consider necessary to assist the Election Commission. The condition of service and tenure of office of election commissioners and the regional commissioners shall be determined by the President. Independence of Election Commission. After 324 of the Constitution has made the following provision to safeguard and ensure the independence and impartial function of Election Commission. The Chief Election Commissioner is provided with the security of tenure. He control be removed from his office except in same manner and on the same ground as the Judge of Supreme Court. The service condition of Chief Election Commissioner cannot be varied to his disadvantage after his appointment. Any other election commissioners or a regional commissioner cannot be removed from office except on the recommendation of Chief Election Commissioner. Power and function of Election Commission. The power and function of Election Commission with regard to the elections to the Parliament, state legislature and officers to the President and Vice President. It can be classified into three categories: administration, advisory and quasi-judicial. In detail, these powers and functions are to determine the territorial areas of the electoral constituencies throughout country, to prepare and periodically revise electoral rolls and to register all eligible voters, to notify the dates and schedules of elections and scrutinize nomination paper, to grant recognition to political parties and allot election symbols to them, to act as a court for settling disputes related or to granting of recognition to political parties and allotment of election symbols to them, to appoint officers for inquiring into disputes relating to electoral arrangements, to determine the code of conduct to be observed by the parties or the candidate at the time of election, to prepare a roster for publicity of the political parties on radio and TV in times of election, to cancel poll in the event of ringing, both capturing violence and other irregularities, to supervise the machinery of election throughout the country to ensure free and fair election, to register political parties for the purpose of election and grant them the status of national and state parties on the basis of their poll performance. Additional information of the chief election commissioners and the two other election commissioners have equal powers and receive equal salary allowance and other prerequisites which are similar to those of a judge of the Supreme Court. In case of difference of opinion amongst the chief election commissioner and two other election commissioners, the matter is decided by the commission by majority. They hold office for the term of 6 years or until they attain the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. They can resist at any time or can also be removed before the expiry of their term. Thank you.